Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tubby, and in this video I'm going to show you how I figured out to make a small notebook with this beautiful Cinch machine. First of all, I'm very excited to tell you that I have new products in my Etsy shop. So I've used some of the cardstock that you can see here. I've used them. So if you like the patterns, you can find them in my Etsy shop. There it is. Also, there are a lot of goodies inside, like a seal, bookmarks, and different pockets, envelopes, postcards, labels. I mean, a lot of things. Those papers are from one antique shop that I bought before. Probably 2 or 3 months. Yes, on the back you can see transparent paper over which is I used embossing powder, and over which I stamped this beautiful quote, "Home is where the ocean is." Here there are same golden embossing powder that I use, but with different stamp. It's written there is one ship that cannot sink, friendship. The papers, the cardstock that I use, which are from my kit Salty Sea. There is a kit, and also there is only papers, I mean like craft papers, 8 craft papers, and on the other kit there are 38 probably sheets full of different things. So if you are interested, you can see it in my Etsy shop. Main thing, I decided to make it in vintage style because I love vintage style. Who doesn't love vintage style? And this beautiful crab, oh, it's very, very, very good. I mean, I'm very excited because I put a lot of effort while making all these products for sea. You know, summer is in the corner, so why not to use something so beautiful? Nevertheless, I distress all the papers, as you can see here and also here. This will be the front, this will be the back. Those are I think they're called separators in this mini notebook, and the papers here are 20 and 20. And most important, to show you the sizes, there are the sizes of the small notebook. There are a lot of tutorials on YouTube how you can use this Cinch machine. In this case, I had to pull peg number 8, and as you can see, I already did this. You know, when you cut out your paper, you're putting it and press. It's very simple. I love this machine. It's very helpful, especially for a lot of creative projects. And the tabs here that you can see, I made it with this beautiful tab punching board. I love it. It's very handful. So I've already prepared everything. To be honest, I had one video in which I was going to show you how I'm pressing all these papers. I'm working with the machine, but the problem was that I deleted accidentally, so I had to make new one. Okay. So let's prepare all the things here to put them together. Okay. Those stamps that I put, they will be in the end of the notebook. In this case, since the holes are 7, this is with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This is going to be the front and this is going to be the back. So let me just put it like this. This is going to be the front, okay, and this is going to be the back. So it's going to be like this. Okay, just to remove my chair because I can't do it with the chair while I'm sitting. I've already put the correct size here, but you can, as you can move it. Mine is 7/8. Okay, so I think that everything is good, and okay, it's done. Beautiful, handful, and very easy. And it looks like this. I decided to put this golden paper pattern because of these papers, because this cardstock actually, because they look very, very gorgeous with this blue greenish pattern that I made. So once again, the sizes of this small notebook are those. I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe Thumbs up, of course. If you like this video, put it like a thumb. And what else to tell you? I wish you an amazing day, full with a lot of positive emotions. Bye bye.